Hyderabad, the story is coming in from Hyderabad, where BJP's firebrand leader Tejasvi Surya has actually hit out at Asauddin Owaisi. He's attacked Owaisi very directly, saying that every vote against Owaisi is a vote for India. Listen in.
The only thing that they have allowed inside old Hyderabad is Rohingya Muslims. So they have no right to speak about development. The party which says give us 15 minutes and we will show Hindus their place has no right to lecture the BJP on secular values and constitutional values. He speaks the language of rabid Islamism and separatism and extremism, which Muhammad Ali Jinnah was also speaking. Which is why every single vigilant Bharatiya must stand up and fight against this divisive menace, communal politics of Owaisi brothers. KCR never comes out of his farmhouse. Today, the fight in Telangana is between Narendra Modi ji's good governance and KCR's farmhouse governance.
All right, Uma Sudhir joining us with the very latest. Uma, big political developments that are taking place. Tejasvi Surya has attacked Asauddin Owaisi, also attacked K. Chandrasekhar Rao.
Yes, indeed. Tejasvi Surya and other leaders have been brought into Hyderabad. BJP obviously seeing this as a very, very important election for its, in a sense, Tejasvi Surya put it as the gateway to the south, saying that it will be first Hyderabad, then Telangana, and then the rest of the south. But much more importantly, the fact that Tejasvi Surya has said that a vote for Owaisi will be considered a vote against India, and a vote against Owaisi will be considered a vote for India. And more importantly, he has also said that if you are going to vote for the TRS, which is in an alliance with the MIM, TRS chief K. Chandrasekhar Rao had earlier promised that Hyderabad would be turned into an Istanbul. And turning the story around, Tejasvi Surya says that Istanbul, Turkey is a totally Muslim country, and that the KCR, the chief minister of Hyderabad, wants to convert Hyderabad into a Hyderabad of Pakistan. These are very, very controversial comments and something that perhaps everyone should worry about. And second, the fact that, this entire election has become about the communal politics, so to speak, of BJP, which is what the TRS is also being forced to, in a sense, follow the agenda set by the BJP, which has in fact raised the pitch, made this into an election of two families, of course. But much more importantly, the TRS has been repeatedly telling people, Chief Minister today releasing the manifesto, and at that time promising certain SOPs, including free water to the people of Hyderabad. But more important than that, he said that choose between what he called as development, peaceful development, and second, he says BJP will bring you communal politics, curfews and stabbings and violence. Back to you.